This is how to change your sat nav from kilometres into miles and miles per hour, and a couple of other settings like your MPG instead of litres per 100 kilometres. Right, so from the sat nav screen, ignition on, sat nav on, we're going to go into the menu, to the right, settings, and then in settings, regional, and then you've got your language, units and formats, and then distance. You can see there kilometres and metres. We're going to change that into miles and yards or miles and feet. We'll have miles and yards. And then we've got fuel economy, litres per 100. We don't want that, we want MPG UK. And that is it. You've got metric tons, which you can change. You've got temperature, degrees C, exactly the same. You just tap on that, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. And then further down, display format and currency, all the same sort of stuff. And then basically go back to your thing and we're there at 30 miles an hour. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.